Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the mirror on the 2018 Infiniti QX60. The car was in an accident, so I'm in the middle of the rebuild project. That's why the door is damaged here. But anyways, the mirror was damaged during the accident, so we're going to replace it now. And we have to remove we have to open the door and remove the inside liner, the inside cover here, in order to get to the mirror. To remove that panel. So we're going to remove this, then we're going to remove this, and there are 3 screws in there to get to the mirror. So let's go ahead and start. Okay guys, so the mirror is out. Pretty much we had to pull out all of the pins all around, then unscrew that screw here in the door handle. There's a little cover, the cover comes off, then there's a handle. Then after that, this panel is pretty much loose, you have to pull it up and pull it out here a little bit. So normally it's hanging in that door gap where the window is, so you have to lift it up and pull it towards the inside of the car. So now this is pretty loose and we have enough room here to put the mirror. The mirror I got on eBay was actually a little bit different, so I just got this one in. Well, the mirror itself was, let's say, the same, but the mount on it was a little bit different. Anyways, here we got a new one. Brand new one from the dealer, $380, and the cover is extra $50, so it was like $440 with taxes or something like that. Anyways, we're gonna install it right now. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.